Yes, sama na naman kami sa trabaho. Okay. Kailangan natin kumayod, no? You need to help daddy, no? You need to help me, guys, kailangan niya akong tulungan. No? You need to help daddy. Okay, guys. Sinama ko lang siya kasi walang magbabantay. May trabaho din si Mrs. eh. Watch out with that one. Dito siya matutulog, guys. So, sarang ko na lang yung upuan. Ayun, facility to eh. Yeah. Love you.